Hi my crafters, how are you guys? I'm so excited for our first class. I hope this video will get you prepared for everything you're going to need for class. You're going to be making a pom-pom kitchen. You're going to be making hair clips. Actually, two types of hair clips. So you're going to use, the first one is the hair ties hair clips, and the other one is pom-pom hair clips. I'm going to show you everything you're going to need. So in your supply kit, you're going to have this pack, as you can see. So these are the hair ties. So you're going to need this. You're going to need your pom-poms. So we have 3 pom-poms in your supply kit. You're going to need the big one, the medium one, and you're going to need this mini ones. In your supply kit, you also have this bag. This bag has different accessories. So in this bag, you have your kitchen. Here's what your kitchen looks like. It's the kitchen. So I already have it, and you're going to need your alligator hair clip. So this is called the alligator hair clip. In your supply kit, you also see another, little bag that's in your supply kit. It has a little needle and thread, which is already threaded for you. That's all you'll be needing for this first class. Again, we're making pom-pom kitchen and 2 different types of hair clips. So follow along.
You're going to be needing your glue gun, which I just showed now. So I have my needle and thread. I have my hair tie. So you grab 3. So you put your needle in the middle like so of the 3, like that, and you pull your thread and take your thread and wrap it around the 3 hair ties like so. As you're doing it, just make sure to pull a little tightly and stretch your hair ties out. So once you're done, you take your needle and put it in the back of the thread, and you pull that out to tighten it, and you cut it and tie it a couple of times like so. Just tie so it's secured. So you've made 1. Watch me do the second one. Make sure you tie the ends of your thread. Pick one hair tie, the other one, and the third one. Just put your needle in the middle. Put your needle in the middle and thread it, and make sure as you're doing it, you're pulling and wrap your thread round like so, round the hair ties. And as you're doing it, make sure you're pulling tightly and also stretching out your hair ties. And once you're done, you take your needle and put it right at the back of the thread and cut it, and also do the final tying just like that. And once you're done, you just want to make sure you cut off the excess thread so that's not showing. Then you grab you grab the pom-poms. So your mini pom-poms should have any color you want to use. So grab your glue gun and stick your mini pom-poms right in the middle, just like that, right in the middle, just like that. And you take your alligator hair clips and put glue on it, and stick your hair ties on it just like that, and you've made your first flower hair clip. And again, you just do the same process for the second one, just like that. Take 3 hair ties of your choice, 3 colors of your choice. Stick your needle right in the middle of the 3 and wrap your thread around it, and tie it off by putting your needle just right and pull it and tie it off. Cut it out. You do the same for the second one. Once you're done with the second one, so take your mini pom-poms of the same color or different colors, if you want to be very colorful, and stick your pom-poms right on in the middle of the hair ties that you just made, and take your alligator hair clips and stick them on it. You need 2 on it. So, and grab your decorative paper thing and put your hair clips on it, and you're done. Bye.